Now we are gonna test the home position. We move the robot out of the collision or out of home or close to home. So now we have to go to program editor and debug. The routine is gonna check home, press OK, press this button and hit play, and the robot should go. It's telling us if the robot is in a safe position, and you see it is. Now it's gonna move. Let's say click yes, and it's going to home. We choose 25%. That's why it's moving too slow. Okay. Now, when finished, okay, that is home position. Let's check in jog, and you'll see these values are on the tag or the table that we have here. Okay, so now the robot is ready to run.